Hello class, in this video I will show you how to pack inside of Fishbowl Go. So first let's click on that packing module. Okay, we're in and we have a list of sales orders to pack for this date, April 28th, 2021. Okay, so first thing that you do, you take your sales order sticker and put that on your case. I've already done this, so I'm going to scan that sales order. Okay, and then I'm going to press enter to open it. Now it gives you a choice. It says we're in carton 1, and at the top it says the sales order. So the first thing you do is find a case where your item will fit inside of. Okay, and so scan the item, make sure it was picked correctly. Scan it. I scanned the UPC. I pressed enter. No error message. We have the SKU CR101 Crystallite case of 6 beer glasses, 1 case of 6. That's what this is, right? Good. I put that inside. It fits. Now I can commit that to that box and click the pack button. Done. Now I don't want to put anything else into this box. We are going to get another box and I'll put another sticker on it. And so on this one I'm going to write carton 2 of 2, whereas the other one was carton 1 of 2. They're together. It's the same sales order but 2 cartons and they go together. Okay, so let's do 2 of 2. And so, okay, I've taken the item from my tote. I scan. First I need to choose. Now that I'm working on carton 1, now that I'm on carton 2, I'm going to click the plus sign to add another carton. We're now in carton 2. Good. Okay, now I scan the item. Okay, I press enter. No error message. It is a great value assorted glass jar. 1. Put that in. It fits. It's the right height. Click pack. And next item. Go to your tote. Grab the next item. Some scanners will make you pack one by one. This one allows me to do several. But let's do one by one. I'll scan it. Press enter. It says pack 1. Yes, it fits. Press pack. Scan the UPC. Press enter to verify, yes, this item was picked. Put in 1. Pack. 1 more. Scan. Press enter. Make sure it fits inside the carton. Pack. Okay. 1 item left. I'm not done. I'm not done. We have the GRV 777. 3 each. Let's get that. All right. And, we only picked 1. Okay. That's a mistake there for picking. We only picked 1. Okay. All right, I have the item here. Let's see. If I scan this, let's see. If I scan something else, it'll give you a message. Let's say I scan an item that's not on the pick. I press enter, it'll say unable to find product. Okay. And even if you scan an item that was already picked, you press enter, it's going to say the same thing, unable to find product. So if you get that message, it means it was already packed or that item is not on your list. Okay, well, let's scan this one. Let's see if we get an error message. No error message. To carton 2. You can see at the top, carton 2. And it wants us to do 1 by 1. We need to check that lot number. Make sure it matches. Lot number B/208102282223. Yep, and all of these are the same. So it's good to do it 1 by 1, just to ensure you avoid any mistakes. That's often what they want you to do, but you could also do it 2. There are 2 remaining. I'm going to type 2 and we'll see if it lets me do that. And I'll make sure that both of my serial numbers are matching. They are. So I will click pack, and now you get a confirmation message, shipment packed. Now our default printer is the label printer. I want to print this out on a full 8.5 by 11 page. So I'll click no, and that sales order disappears from the packing screen. It's now in shipping. And so I know this is a S299. I'm going to head over to Fishbowl, to the desktop, and we're going to go and find the printer that, or sorry, we're going to find our packing list. So if we go to sales, then we go to shipping. Okay, we double click on the S29. It'll show us here in carton 1 and in carton 2. It shows us the tracking. Its status is packed. Let's click print. Select the correct printer, and then wait for the printer to print. Okay, and when it prints, we'll put that into a little pouch, and we'll tape that up. I will pause the video now while I get this packing list prepared for the shipment. Okay, I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so I have the packing list over here, and I've also put some cardboard there to ensure that the glass jar is protected, and I've also added some padding in here. Let's tape up the boxes. Okay, in the final stages, you'll go over here into Fishbowl. You might open up that order, and then if you look here, if you click on carton 1, it shows the tracking number. So if this is connected to a shipping program, it'll take that number and put it on a barcode, put it on a shipping label. And then if you click on this one, so this one ends in 5682. If I click on that one, this one ends in 5699. So I've made my own. I've printed them out here, and so you would do that after putting your items on a scale, right? You would take the first item, scan the sales order number, beep. It would come up on the screen. Everything would look good. You click print, and then it would print out the label. Here it says 1 of 2, and there's a tracking number I found from there, and I would put that onto that, and put that to the side. I'd grab the next one, scan it, beep, and if it's batch shipping, you would select 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and then I would print out the label, and I put that on there. So these both say ground, so then I would take it to the pallet that says ground. So that's how we do packing and shipping here with Fishbowl Go at Solomon College. Thank you.